So you guys have probably been wondering where the heck I've been. Finally had time to edit these videos. I got a ton of videos, I just haven't had time. Basically, I got like maybe 8 videos that I gotta edit. I finally found time to like gather up all these videos and kind of just put them all together, mesh them, and finally put a vlog out or something, just something for you guys. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm sorry I disappeared. I'm gonna try and put a video out every Sunday, maybe once a week, or I'm gonna try twice a week, but at least try to put a video out once a week, because right now it's probably been like 3 weeks since I put something out. So yeah, stay tuned guys, enjoy the video. Yo, I am so mad. I'm in the middle of editing. Well, I'm not really mad at all. I just saved it right before the computer shut off. Well, hopefully it's saved. Like the Xbox is off, like everything is just off. I was in the middle of editing the Civic video because I wanted to add content to that. If I had a laptop, actually, I'd be good. Like, I wouldn't even have this problem right now. I'm actually gonna head to the post office and pick up a package that Devi sent to me. If you guys are like in the DC5 community or somewhat in the DC5 world, I guess, the DC5 realm, if that's even a thing, I don't know. I'd say one way to describe his car would be copper engine bay. Yeah, so yeah, let's go pick that package up. I'll show you guys what I got. You see guys, I wasn't lying. Like, nobody knows what to do. The power's out, like there's no lights anywhere. This is actually my old school right here, guys. Reina. And we're here. The post office I usually go to right here. I guess it actually got here on Saturday, and I'm super late to pick it up. I just checked the tracking on it. Filled. Here it is. So we got 1, 2, 8, 9. Locker 6C1. Would not fit in my pocket. Let's actually open this thing up. I was gonna wait until I got home. Put this on my dash. My hair is a freaking mess again. I'm trying to bring you guys with me more often, just so you guys can get to know me a little more. Shout out to Devi for doing the 2-day shipping on this, which I didn't even notice. Priority mail. 2-day shipping right there. Oh, and I didn't even tell you guys what I got. I got a AC relocation kit. Right now I have no AC in my car. For those of you that follow the channel, you already know that. Hold on, got some gaskets in here I could have lost. This is the line that me and him kind of worked on together. All I did was give him the measurements. He pretty much made it. So the looming, really nice, braided. I didn't ask him. I guess that's a little extra if you're ordering that. Threw that in there for me. That's pretty cool. Nice of him. And I'm not biased, guys. He sponsored half of this, so I'm kind of doing a review on it. Pretty much going to do an instructional video on how to install this. So far, man, this looks pretty good. This one goes in front of the car. I'll show you guys later what I mean. I'm not going to actually undo these. I'll undo these. Here's the other line. Thing's pretty nice. Actually, let me show you this one a little closer. Get that to focus in. There's that. Got a nice little Ziploc here, just so everything isn't bouncing around. And I'll show you guys again later. I'm just showing you real quick because I honestly want to see it myself as well. Grommets for when you make the holes for the hoses. Here's all the little clamps. And he also sends you a bunch of tap screws just to tap into the car so you can hold down your hoses. Here's all the fittings for your lines. Not quite sure where these go yet. Figure it out later. There's that. There's that. Let me point out that these are all billet. Really nice piece. Yeah, it's really well made. The threads is what's mostly like the most important, and I see no flaw in them, so that's really good. There's no nicks in them. It's all pretty nicely cut. Whoever did this for him did a really nice job. So yeah, that's nice. So here's all the screws as well. I'm excited, guys. Excited to put this in the car. I'm excited to have AC in the car, and we're gonna have power steering soon, so other people can drive my car, not just me. I'm definitely gonna do a nice video for you guys, nice tutorial. It's gonna be a tucked way to do it, so it's gonna be a lot nicer than maybe other kits or anything you've seen out there. I'm actually gonna head to the mall real quick. I want to pick up an SD card. I'm just sick and tired of running out of memory. Like, I really am. Later. All right, just got here, but before I ever go buy anything, I always check Amazon. All right, so that was a no-go. They didn't have a better deal, and I couldn't price match it, so I'll just order on Amazon, call it a day. It's free shipping. I get it by tomorrow. Shit, I just spit everywhere. Yo, I just saw a car that I've been seeing around. It's a freaking Toyota. See if this guy stops. I don't know if it's a guy or a girl. Never mind, guys. It's a freaking girl driving, and I didn't want to scare the shit out of her, but I really wanted to see the car. I think it's an old Toyota. It has the flip-up headlights. I think she just left, so maybe I could just get some footage of it. Doubt she's gonna turn around and come back. I don't want to show the plate. It's like an old school little Toyota. Man, and it's 5-speed. Oh man, I love that car. I would love to like buy that car for her.
Day 2.
Alright guys, so today's a few days later. Once again, I'm getting my stuff ready. I'm gonna actually start putting everything in my car. Everything I showed you guys in the last video. So the pulley, the belt, the valve cover, the AC kit. And actually, I don't know when I'm actually gonna put this vlog out. I have to pretty much figure out how I'm gonna put the vlog together. I'll have like maybe 1, 2, 3 days of just random stuff, and then I just piece it together. So yeah, today's plan is to get pictures of the car. Now, I gotta get like a top view of my car. I gotta take the hood off. Alright guys, so I just got here. Martin brought his own car over here. Say what's up. There's a door. We're about to move some of these cars outside. There's the engine that we pulled off the Civic. If you guys didn't see the content for that, go check it out. I think it was maybe 2 weeks ago. And I'm gonna see if I could probably put the RSX maybe like right here, maybe facing this way. I'm gonna see if the car turns on, just so we don't have to push it, but if anything, we'll push it all the way back, whatever. Yeah, it looks like it works. It's still, my car's still acting up, man. Like, it turns on when it wants to. You guys see that shit? What the hell? Give me this camera back. So like I mentioned earlier, we're gonna try and get some pictures. We gotta clean this thing up. Maybe just power wash it and wipe it down. We're not gonna really actually like just clean it because it's getting put away for the winter anyways. And like I mentioned before, just from me taking off the bumper so many damn times, I got scratches everywhere. This thing needs to get completely buffed. Car's clean. I'm about to take the license plate off just so that when he draws a picture, it doesn't like show up in a picture. Unfortunately, I can't take this bracket off because then I would have to like pretty much take the bumper off just to get that off. So I'll just leave that there. All right, so I was thinking something like this, guys. What do you think? The side view? Yeah, we got to take off the hood. We got to. All right, so we're going to do that. Take off the hood real quick. All right, so hood's over there. One tip, guys, put towels underneath your hood or however you're gonna place it, unless you're gonna place it on top of something a different way, but that's the way I do it. Hopefully you can get the picture with the carbon fibers. This is probably a boring ass videos for you guys. But I'm gonna show you how the process. So I gotta get the whole car. I think I can like this. All right, so we're gonna have to push the car back more. However, yeah, you can push from there. Push. I'm using my feet too, guys. I don't think I'm abusing them. That's much better. I think we got the whole car. Probably something like that, maybe a little lower. I'll take a bunch of pictures and I'll pick the best one. All right, so we're all set with the pictures. We're just gonna put the hood back on and maybe just get the heck out of here. It's not much we could do. Yeah. Matt, are you happy? I'm excited. Oh, is he qualified? Is he qualified?
So you got a top solenoid.
Yep.
Cob intake.
Yep. Upper and lower piping. It's probably gonna be shit.
Look nice.
Yep. Do you not take it off?
No, I don't think so. So what do you have to do? Just take that shit off?
Take
the
off
O2?
Yeah, the cars and you know.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. The biggest mistake I run these things, they run too much boost. I'm not sure what you run in, but like people make mistakes hitting like 30 down to like 25, you know. So
right now Matt's trying to figure out what exactly he wants out of this tone. He just wants a safe tone, so they're just gonna go from there. All right, so car's on there. They brought it up on these ramps right here. He was trying to take off like the O2 sensor underneath. I really don't know like the process for it, but yeah, they got the car strapped down, which you can see right there. I can show you guys. And it was pretty cool how he centered the car. He kind of just like drove it on there, and then he was just letting it, you know, spin on the rails or like the wheels or whatever. He just centered the car like that with the wheel, trying to just figure out. He kind of opened the engine and figured out, kind of asked him kind of what he has on the car as far as like mods and stuff, and then he can pick like kind of figure out a starting point, and then they'll go from there from tuning it and stuff. So I think right now he said he's gonna go off a base map that the car came with.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, we'll see now.
Let's take State Route 57 East.
How's it feel? Oh, just got wet.